She found her own good way, like the sunrise through the trees, soft and steady every day, moving gentle as a breeze. Every heartbeat in her chest settle into something true. Every moment she confessed felt like something breaking through. She found her own good way, shining bright and free. She found her own good way, clear as it can be. She found her own good way, warm as summer rain. She found her own good way, easing every pain. She learned to listen to the quiet in her mind. She learned that wisdom comes from taking time to find soft reflections, glow like honey in the sun. Every lesson felt like something just begun. She found her own good way, shining bright and free. She found her own good way, clear as it can be. She found her own good way, warm as summer rain. She found her own good way, easing every pain. Look at her now, moving like the river that finally knows where it wants to flow. No rush, no rush, no fear, no fear. Just steady, just clear. She found a sinner like a seed that learned to grow. She found a rhythm in the places soft and slow. Every whisper turned to music in her chest. Every moment felt like